Hi, here I am with another kitchen hack. It's for one of these 2-compartment freezer ready meals. As you can see, the rice is in one side and the curry is in another. Before you put it in the microwave, pierce the lid as usual. Follow the instructions and microwave for half the total time. Here's another that I'd already microwaved. They require you to add a small amount of water to the rice and to stir the curry. So gently lift up one corner just very slightly, and this is where you're going to put your water in the rice. Having done that, turn around and lift the diagonally opposite corner very slightly, and this is where you're going to stir the curry from. Just open it so that you can get your spoon in it, give it a good stir around. And that's now ready to put back in the microwave. Now that's done, to serve, just peel this one back, but not any further than the line, like so, and serve your rice from the bottom of the tray. As you can see, the seal is holding the curry in the other compartment and it's not coming out. Now turn the tray around and you still have your curry intact, ready to serve. Yum!